Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep smiles healthy and bright? Today we're diving into the fascinating career of a dentist. Whether it's filling cavities, performing root canals, or simply helping people take care of their teeth, dentists play a crucial role in maintaining our oral health. Welcome to EDUvelopment's Career Guidance Hub, where we explore exciting career paths for those who want to shape the future. A dentist is a healthcare professional who specializes in diagnosing and treating oral health issues. From regular checkups and cleanings to more complex procedures like fillings and extractions, dentists ensure their patients maintain healthy teeth and gums. They also educate people on proper oral hygiene to prevent future problems like cavities and gum disease. The day-to-day responsibilities of a dentist are both varied and essential. They conduct oral examinations, identify issues such as tooth decay or gum disease, and perform treatments that can range from applying crowns to extracting teeth. Dentists also take x-rays, repair damaged teeth, and work on cosmetic improvements like whitening. Beyond treatments, dentists educate their patients about oral care, offering advice on brushing, flossing, and diet to promote long-term dental health. Most dentists work in clean, well-lit clinics, either in private practices or group settings. They collaborate with dental hygienists, assistants, and sometimes specialized experts to deliver the best care possible. While the job can be physically demanding, requiring a steady hand and attention to detail, it's also highly rewarding as dentists help improve both the health and confidence of their patients. Dentistry offers plenty of room for career growth and specialization. After completing their Bachelor of Dental Science or Bachelor of Dental Surgery, dentists can pursue specialties such as orthodontics, pediatric dentistry, or oral surgery. With experience, many dentists also move into leadership roles, teaching at dental schools, or even opening their own private practices. As the demand for dental services continues to grow, thanks to an aging population and a focus on preventative care, the future for dentists looks very bright. If you're interested in a career that combines healthcare with hands-on skills, becoming a dentist could be the perfect fit. To learn more about this career and many others, head to eduvelopment.com and check out the Career Guidance Hub. Own your life with EDUvelopment.